Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, आज सुबह सुबह I am very close to Manyata Tech Park, hardly about 1.5-2 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park, and here I have right in front of you आपको दिख रहा है the property which you're looking at is an rental income property. This is only for high class people, the people who go for high end properties. This video is for those people, big shot people who go for something really costliest property. Then stay in the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. तो guys, मैं ये इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि I don't want you to waste your time and आपका कीमती समय मैं बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहता. तो दिस इज ओनली फॉर दोज पीपल हु लुक फॉर द कॉस्टलीस्ट प्रॉपर्टी. तो गाइस, द प्रॉपर्टी इज राइट ऑन दिस 30 फीट रोड. लेट्स गो इनसाइड. अंदर जाके मैं सब कुछ आपको रिवील करने वाला हूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम इन द पार्किंग एंड द मोमेंट वी एंटर वी कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ कार्स कैन बी पार्क्ड इन दिस पार्किंग. तो चलते हैं अंदर और देखते हैं क्या कुछ है. पहले हम पार्किंग देख लेते हैं. मैं बताऊंगा कि कितने कार यहाँ पे पार्क हो सकते हैं. इसके बाद विल गो टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कवर ओनली द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. कितने फ्लोर है, कितने फ्लैट्स हैं इसमें इन दिस इंडिपेंडेंट हाउस, क्या इसका डायमेंशन है, सब कुछ मैं बताऊंगा. प्लॉट का डायमेंशन क्या है, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. इट लुक्स बिग. Seriously, the plot size is very big. So I'm going to tell you, there is a security room right in front of you in the ground floor. Just next to that is a car parking. यहाँ पे देखिए. Again, let me show you. Right in front, that is one car parking. This is the second one. So 2 car park already is being covered in this plot. So just imagine कितना बड़ा ये plot होगा. And that is the entrance to the first floor. The stairs and the lift, and this is one car parking, and again that's the entry. That's how we entered the property. So this was the third car parking, and after this yahan par this is the fourth car parking. So totally 4 car parks with the borewell right here. So this is the borewell area, and totally 4 cars can be easily parked. A decent size cars, big cars can be parked in this plot size. तो plot size क्या होगा, I am soon going to reveal. Stay in the video. ऊपर चलते हैं. ऊपर जा करके I am going to only cover one floor only. I'm not going to cover all the floors for you. So there you go. That's a servant room. 2 cars there and 2 cars over here. Totally 4 cars can be parked, and this is the lift area right in front of you. This is the lift area, and ऊपर जाके देखते हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर में कि इसमें पर फ्लोर 2 BHK है या 3 BHK ऑन एवरी फ्लोर, एंड टोटली कितने फ्लोर है, कितना इसका रेंट होगा ऑन टोटल कितना रेंट होगा इसमें, वो सब कुछ हम जानेंगे. अभी फ़िलहाल मैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर में आ गया हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू कवर दिस ओनली फ्लोर completely for you, and this is the scene of the locality. This is how I came up. The stairs, just next to the stairs is the lift, and this is a beautiful teakwood door, and we are entering from here. And देखते हैं, is this a 3 bedroom or a 2 bedroom, and how spacious is this unit. So let's check this. And right now I am in a living room. Fall ceiling का काम हो रहा है. I forgot to mention that this is under construction right now, and this is going to complete soon, probably another 3 months. Everything will be in shape. Right now the interior work is going on, and ज़रूर मुझे बताना कि if you want a second part to be done with all interiors, comment section में put a comment that you want the second part. If I get about 300 comments, I would definitely make the second part of video of this property. So guys, right now I am in the living room, and from the living room, let's check the common toilet and one of the bedrooms, and then let's go to the kitchen later on. And one more announcement: if you're looking to construct your own property or probably you might have done a beautiful construction for yourself, and if you're looking for a woodwork in your property, I've been in this field for about 18 to 20 years now, and I have a group of professional people who do construction and woodwork for you. So guys, do let me know if you have such kind of requirements, and we will be at your service. My WhatsApp number is in the description. You can send me the details of your property and we would take care of the construction and also the interiors for you. And this particular building that you're looking at is done by a very professional builder. Just look at the elevation and the complete building, and also pay a visit to this property and you will understand that what is the quality construction done by this builder himself. So this is the bedroom that you looked at, and now we are on to the second bedroom. And also I forgot to show you the total elevation. बाहर का elevation कैसा है सब कुछ मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ. Stay in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Before we look at the kitchen, let's see all the bedrooms, and मैं kitchen आपको आराम से दिखाऊंगा. So right now we are in the second bedroom. This has an attached toilet as well. सो अभी तक आपको पता चल गया होगा कि दिस इज़ अ 3 बेडरूम. इन टोटल कितने फ्लोर हैं मैं वो आपको ज़रूर बताऊंगा व्हेन आई शो यू द एलिवेशन. तो दिस इज़ अ मास्टर बेडरूम, द थर्ड बेडरूम. सो एवरी फ्लोर हैज़ ईच 3 BHK. सो देयर इज़ अ 3 BHK यूनिट ईच ऑन एवरी फ्लोर, एंड दिस इज़ अ बैल्कनी. एंड यहाँ से आपको 30 feet रोड एंड प्लस द कंप्लीट लोकेलिटी is seen easily. So stay in the video. Let's watch the complete elevation of this property, and also the kitchen tour is pending, so stay in the video. So now it's time to check the outer elevation. बाहर से प्रॉपर्टी completely कितने फ्लोर हैं और कैसा ये बाहर से दिखता है. जल्दी जाते हैं नीचे एंड चेक करते हैं फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. उसके बाद लेट्स चेक द किचन एज वेल. तो दिस इज द पार्किंग. 4 कार पार्किंग है. सामने आपके दिख रहे हैं 2 कार पार्किंग्स एंड दिस साइड 2 कार पार्किंग, एंड द प्लॉट साइज इज 30 by 45, and the price of this property I'm going to reveal you when you see the outer elevation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. So guys, this is a BBMP property, rental income property, house for sale in Bangalore, a BBMP B Khata DC converted property in a beautiful layout only 2 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park, and it's a west facing property, and the rental income in this property expected is 1,20,000 rupees and the price is 2 crores 97 lakhs. It is not negotiable, guys, so there is no room on negotiations at all. 2 crores 97 lakhs. So call me, my number is in the description, and let's have a look at the kitchen. So this is a spacious kitchen of this 3 BHK unit. So that is a utility. So that was the living room, how we entered. This was the first and second bedroom, and यहाँ पे the common toilet and the kitchen right in front of you. तो यहाँ पर L shape का platform आएगा, and just below the platform there would be the complete woodwork, and this is the utility, quite spacious utility, and the locality is seen from the utility as well. So quite a good ventilation in the property. So we have done with the kitchen, and अभी मैं फ़िलहाल एक और फ्लोर में हूँ जहाँ पे इंटीरियर का काम चल रहा है. तो you can see how the interior is going on. तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि if you want the complete home tour with the interiors done, then please type a comment that you want to have the second part video with complete interiors done in the property. And once I receive 300 comments for the same, then I would be making the second part of this property. So guys, thank you so much for watching till here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My number is in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. जल्दी मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए take care. Bye bye. See you.